Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show, where I eat a whole lot of something, and usually, if I'm lucky, and you're lucky, my mouth will burn, and you'll go, wow, that guy's nuts. Today, we've got something from Malaysia. This is Daebak with their ghost pepper cheese flavor spicy chicken. Yeah, this is a crazy looking thing, and I'm ready to give it a try. And here's what I've prepared. This is the noodle. Look at that. It's black. Made some nice chicken, made a nice egg, put a little bit of extra sesame seed on, and some spring onion. The chicken, it was sauteed with a little Maggi seasoning and some of this S&B umami crunchy garlic chili oil topping with a little bit of extra fried onion. So with not having any children here today, I got to do the ready, set, go myself, but I'm definitely able to do so. I'm going to have a drink of my beverage real quick. Now, one thing you might notice about this pack, it says you can adjust the heat level. If you want to see how much of the ghost pepper sachet, it was all of it, that I put in this, it's on the episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time that correlates with this that was released an hour before I'm releasing this premiere. Anyways, it's time. I'm going to eat the noodle first, and then I'll probably, if I can still breathe or I'm still alive, I will eat the rest of the niceness. But yeah, take a look at that. That is a black noodle. See? Alright, ready, set, go. Out of the gate, instantly my tongue is hot. It kind of reminds me of like a barbecue flavor. I'm gonna say this isn't. It's not as hot as the cup version, which honestly is fine with me. There's a lot of it though, and the heat is building, so we'll see where we end up. But, honestly, it's good. I like this one a lot. It's getting the build on it. Yeah, it's pretty freaking hot. I will say that much. Alright. I think that's pretty much... Oh, there's some more. Oh, my mouth is burning right now, going down the back of my throat. Oh, it's definitely a different heat than like Bulldog. Those ghost peppers, man. Is it top 10? I'm having trouble thinking. My nose is definitely running. My mouth is burning. Oh, yeah, I think it might hit the top 10 for this one. There's a lot more. Oh man, I'm only gonna start drooling. There's a lot more content in this one, a lot more food, and it's really, I mean, man, oh yeah, it's hitting all those kind of things that I do after I eat something really spicy. I'm feeling it. That's pretty cool. A little bit of sweat, not too much. Eyes watering, mouth burning, all that good stuff that are kind of the telltale signs of something that will hit the top 10, but we'll have to see. It's calming down a little bit. Yeah, this one is really tasty. I really like the flavor on this one. Yeah, I recommend that you give this a try. I'm gonna call this good for right now and go blow my nose a bit. And yeah, thanks to the kind folks over there in Malaysia that make the Daebak varieties. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Writer wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one.